are going to show you how a student answers a quiz. So in this example, we'll just use something from our workshop, so just please ignore this. So this is the quiz example. You know that it's a quiz because there is a check mark here. So if we click on the quiz, this is what we'll see when the quiz will open or when it will close, and also the time limit. So for purposes of example, we are allowing multiple attempts this time. Pero of course, sa classes ninyo, pag recorded, it's going to be one attempt lang. Okay? So in order to start a quiz, I just have to click on Attempt Quiz Now. So it will prompt me that I only have 1 hour, and then I click on Start Attempt. So we have 16 answers in total. So we have a multiple choice, and then we also have the true or false question. So when you're done, just click on Next. And then we also have the matching type. So please take note, parents, that this will be randomized. So i-change ng system automatically ang sequence ng question ni teacher. So this is a short answer type. Something that's useful for like names of countries or names of presidents. So, pag hindi essay, but we need words. Okay? So, we also have a numerical type of question where we can give the year. So, when we're done, again, just click next page. Meron din tayong essay type. So, normally, the teacher might require a certain number of words. But for this example, we didn't put a minimum so that it's faster for this orientation. So when I'm done, I just click on next page. So this is the math question. Parents, this will be randomized by the system. So we have already provided the system with a formula, kaya random na ito ibigay, to make sure that it's going to be more difficult for the students na mag-copy kasi iba-iba ang questions nila. Now, this is another math question. So, the length and the height are also randomly provided by the system. Kaya iba-iba din ang questions and ang choices ni student. So, let's click next page. Okay, so this is a drag and drop. So, madali lang siya for the kids, maybe for the preschoolers. So, this is another drag and drop, but for image. Again, we click on next page. So, another drag and drop, but instead of image and words, it's all images, which is great for the younger students. Now, this is a longer type of question, more ideal for the older students. So, para siyang exam type. So, we also have this. I won't answer na the rest. I'll just leave the others blank so you can also see what happens. So as you can see, we have a triangle there. So let's proceed first with the other questions and answer. So again, next. So this is another long type of answer where the definitions are provided and we need to match them with the type of numbers. So when we're finished, click on next, and this is a file upload. So if the teacher is requiring you to take a photo of something or a video, maybe you have like a recitation, or you're supposed to recite a poem, or if it's a coloring book, tapos picturean, you can upload the file here. So in order to upload the file, just click on the document icon and it will open the file picker. So when we click on choose file, and it opens our files and we can attach the photo. So you know that the photo has been uploaded because you can see the name here. And then when we click on upload file, it already appears in the system. So we know that it has been successfully uploaded. So if you can remember, the time provided was 1 hour. So we still have 55 minutes. So meron tayong timer here. Now, what happens if we have some unanswered questions? Let's try muna finishing the attempt because this is our last question. So as you can see, we have one incomplete answer. So we do have the option to return attempt, but sometimes, we really don't know the answers. So we can just click on finish attempt. So we decide na hindi ko nabalikan, I will submit everything na. So when I click submit all and finish, it's going to prompt me that I won't be able to change my answers. So I click submit and it's going to give me the feedback automatically. So green for correct answers, red for the wrong answers, and then I am provided kung ano yung correct answer. We also have gray for the stuff that needs to be checked by the teacher. So the student can review all the questions here, and when we're done, we just click on finish review. And it will show us our attempt and that it has not been graded yet. So we just need to wait for teacher to grade our work. And once teacher has already graded, it's going to look like this. So we can see that we have 21.75 out of 30. So we can choose to review that, or we can also check our grades. So we can see here na 21.75 tayo. We got 72% correct. So this is zero-based. Because this is just our workshop, but we will adjust the calculated weight and the percentage appropriately. So si teacher will be setting it kung ano yung standards ng school, but for this example, this is how the grade is being set up. So 21.75 out of 30, and the quiz example is 60%. Okay, so that's how you do the quiz, and you check the grades of that's how the students are going to do it, to do the quiz and then also check their grades after teacher has checked them.